How to schedule deployments in Lovable. So in order to schedule your deployments on your Lovable, what you can do is you first need to head over to your actual Lovable site, and then from in there, just log into your account and then access the project that you want to deploy. I have in here this specific project, and I want to schedule its deployment. So you can make some changes to it and just head over and then locate the actual pile that you want. I have in here this, so let's hover in here to the publish option, or you can click on it, and you can see in here that we have previews and likes. We can head over and publish this site on a specific part. Like for example, you can make changes and then just publish it later on. But however, unfortunately, right now, Lovable doesn't offer scheduled deployment. So what you can do is you can make changes and then publish it later on once you access Lovable again. To publish it, click on this update option. Once you have click on it, and then this will update in order to publish this particular change that you have made, and it will deploy that change as well. So that's how you actually schedule deployments in Lovable. I hope this video helped you out.